Although the Dow closed at an all-time high today when the NASDAQ was selling lower, it did a little gap up, not quite a shooting star, but an indecisive trading day. So even though it was up 61 points, it was a little bit indecisive. That gap up in the overbought condition, or getting close to the overbought condition, should be watched with a little bit more skepticism that there might be some sell-off starting soon. As illustrated in the NASDAQ, last week we did a left-right combo. That's a bearish engulfing signal following an indecisive doji. Then today we have a bearish engulfing signal again below the T-line. This combination provides a good evidence that the bears are in control. So now you look to see if the next target is back down to the 50-day moving average. If that's the case, or right now we want to be more diligent to watch to see which stocks are going to be trading lower. Just as the fry pan bottom with a gap up tells you there's probably a strong up move in store, the same can be said on the bearish side. Our short recommendation last couple weeks was because of a dumpling top, the opposite of a fry pan bottom, followed by a kicker signal, which is a very strong candlestick signal telling you they were breaking down. So it makes it very simple. We can short when it's time, when we see a sell signal, and we get ready to cover a short position when we see a candlestick buy signal. And the sell signals, such as a series of dojis, a shooting star, and then a close below the T-line, as we can see in Avis Rent-A-Car, makes the prospect of a short situation all the way back down to the 50-day moving average. Basically, the candlestick signals tell you when there's a change of investor sentiment coming, and a close below the T-line confirms that change. That information can be used on any trading entity. We can see what happened in the crude oil. Had a kind of a bobble breakout through the 50-day moving average, making our next likely target the 200-day moving average. But in between time, a long position can be stayed long until you see a candlestick reversal signal. Essentially, the graphics of candlestick charts allows an investor to see what's actually happening in investor sentiment, not the speculation of what's going to happen, but gives you identification of what's actually being made as far as the decisions between the bulls and the bears. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat.